Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So in this device, it's quite easy to be aware whether you've got some updates available or not. The first thing you have to do is to provide the internet connection. It can be Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you, but to be honest, I prefer the Wi-Fi connection, and then we can enter the settings. At the very top, we've got the very first sign that we've got something to update, because we've got this update icon. All we have to do is to tap on About Phone, and we've got another notification with this red dot, update. So we've got the MIUI version which can be updated. However, if for some reason your device will not show you that you've got some updates pending, you can of course check it manually. So simply tap on this MIUI version, and as you can see, your device will check for any kind of updates. And of course, we've got two different scenarios. Whenever you are up to date, your device will show you the information with your current version that you're up to date, there's nothing to download and everything looks good. And the second scenario, which you can see right now, that there is an update available, you can check, of course, what is new. So your device will provide you the information, will provide you the exact number of the update, and it's of course up to you. All you have to do is to tap on download update, and your device will download and apply the update to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.